If you had one wish for the industry, one wish for the industry as a whole, what would that be?
Everybody should raise their price. I think a lot of us are out there working really hard, and I think we need to get paid better for it. You know what I mean? I know union companies that do asphalt maintenance, and the money that they're getting to crack fill roadways is substantially more money than we're getting to crack fill private plazas and restaurants. And I mean, I think just raising the standard, I think, you know, but this business, it's very easy to be way down at the bottom. And it's also easy to completely segregate yourself and be a top, like we are a top tier contractor. Like we're clean, our equipment is clean, our trucks are clean, our uniforms are clean. We have yard signs, we got, you know, our Facebook, we got QR codes on our seal coat trailer, Judd. What other guy has a QR code to his website on his rig? I mean, we're doing the stuff here. So I mean, just, you know, it's wild to see where it's going, but I think being the best you can do in it, don't half-ass it, and be a half-ass seal coater. There's plenty of half-ass seal coaters out there.
If you liked this video, go ahead and check out this video, or check out this video. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe right here below.